Yo, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video, guys. First of all, really sorry for the delay in the videos. I literally have nothing to record at the moment, so it kind of sucks. I've really had nothing to do, and don't mind the hair. I've been kind of bored during quarantine, and your boy decided to try something out. But anyways, let's get straight into the video, guys. This is like a super simple repair and a fix for your car. My car has literally had this since like I bought it, and it's in the rear, so I never really see it, so I really have like no interest in replacing it. But I decided to finally replace it because I mean it's something that needs to get fixed anyways, you know. So we're gonna get straight into it, guys. So as you guys can see right here, let me take it out real quick. This right here is what we're gonna be replacing. You guys can see how nice and clean this one looks compared to this thing right here. So I don't know what they did when they, like the previous owner, I don't know, I think she had kids, so this was probably what happened. I've been waiting because I wanted to replace the whole thing, because I don't know if you guys can see, but this thing's kind of peeling. But I might just peel the whole thing to just have it one color and then just replace this thing. So that's probably what I'm gonna end up doing. But yeah, we're gonna do this right now, guys. Hopefully it looks a lot better, because this right here looks pretty damn ugly. Like I said, I never see it. That's why I haven't really like wanted to replace it, or not wanted to, I just never really thought of replacing it because that's all I see, not this. But anyways, it was like 25 to 30 bucks on Amazon, so I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check this out. And yeah, let's get straight into the install. So obviously the first thing you want to do is take this one off. So to do this, I guess there's two clips. This whole thing comes off, so from back here. So there's two clips I heard around right here, another one at the bottom. You basically want to get one of these things and then basically put them in here, pry it out, and then the whole thing should come off. And then from there we can go ahead and replace this from the back side. So let's go ahead and try it out. Also, something that might help that I actually just forgot to mention is I put both of these seats all the way forward, or not all the way, but a good amount to leave these sides pretty exposed, because we're gonna need to pry it out. I mean, pry it in from here. So yeah, make sure to put these seats forward. So as you can see, it literally took like 20 seconds. I pried both of the sides out. Now you can pull this back. There's a whole bunch of junk in here, but you can actually just disconnect this, which is the cigarette lighter. That way we can take this whole thing off. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect that real quick, like so. And then basically to replace this, it's just held on by 4 screws, which look like they might be around like T27s-ish, T30s. So I'm gonna go ahead and check which one it is, and then I'll let you guys know. So I was actually totally wrong. It's actually a T20. So just go ahead and take off those 4 screws real quick. So once you take off the 4 bolts, there's actually like some clips on the sides. What you wanna do is pry those out. You can see right here, and then push the actual vents out. Same two on the other side. Pry them out, and then you can push the vents out. And then as you guys can see, the whole thing comes out right here. So what we actually have to do is take this apart. We're taking this actual like tubing off of the actual like face part. So to actually do that, there's a couple of clips around from what I can see. One of them being like this one, and then same one on the other side right here. But then the rest are kind of different. You can see them right here. It looks like you would push this down and then pull them apart at the same time, but they're kind of a pain. So I'm gonna keep going at it, but I might just break them since this thing's already all messed up. I'm not gonna reuse this. I'm probably just gonna throw it away. So I might just break them, but I'm gonna go ahead and play at it a little bit more. But yeah, just push these down. There's 4 on top. Looks like there's 2 on the bottom, and then there's 1 on each side, as you can see right here. So I'm gonna play with it a bit and then try to take them apart. If not, I'll just go ahead and break them off. So yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick. So I just got it off. Once I actually pulled them off, they kind of broke apart. Not really broke, they just I guess they're held on by this little clip, and they kind of just came apart. But what I just noticed is that my fins, I guess, I'm pretty sure these are supposed to have a clip that hold them together, so that when you move one, they all move. But that's not really the case here. So I think what I'm gonna do, because I really don't feel like buying this whole thing, I think I'm just gonna take these fins off so that the air can't move to the sides anymore, which is okay. I mean, I don't really mind, but you can still close them or move them up and down. With these, you can still guide the air to go up and down. These won't really work though, which I honestly don't really mind. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and take off these fins, which it looks like I can just poke them out from the top, like they're held on by these little clips. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together, guys. So let's give it a try. So these fins literally came right off. I didn't have to use anything at all. I just pulled them off, both of them. Now before I assemble everything, I'm gonna go ahead and give these a little wash because they're super dirty. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean these up real quick, and then we'll go ahead and put everything back on, and then we'll see how it looks. So I'll get back to you guys once I'm done. Alright guys, so now that we got everything put back on, it looks so much better. We're gonna go ahead and put this back into place, but don't forget to connect the cigarette lighter connection back in, and then just clip everything back in how it was, and that should be it, guys. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Alright guys, and just like that, the new one is back in. Just gonna wipe it down real quick, so it got a little dirty while I was installing it. I'm not a huge fan of the chrome, but honestly I don't really care. It looks so much better than it did before. It didn't even have any of these, but yeah, everything else is functional. It's just if you move them like this, it doesn't really do anything, which honestly I don't really care. This was like a super easy install, guys, and it honestly looks so much better for the people that are sitting back here. But yeah, that was pretty much all for this video, guys. I really hope it helps some of you guys out, because yeah, this is something super easy to fix. It's just something that, at least for me, it wasn't really like on my top to-do list, because I rarely see it. I only see it when I'm cleaning my car, because I clean it from the rear and everything. But yeah, besides that though, guys, I hope everybody liked the video, guys. Again, I'm really sorry for the delay in the videos. I really have like nothing to post right now. But yeah, guys, hopefully soon we'll get back into those every 3 to 4 day uploads, because that's what I like doing. That's how I feel comfortable. I know one day we'll probably end up doing maybe every other day uploads, because we'll have enough content to post. If I had enough content to post at the moment, I probably would be doing that. I really have nothing to post, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm not just gonna sit here and make you guys feel sorry about me. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to stay tuned for future uploads. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe before you leave, and leave a huge thumbs up on the video, guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.